Well, welcome back. Got this 96 Ford Mustang, and she's her stance is a little wrong. Yeah, see that? That's Ford Tough right there. But today we're gonna do a ball joint and hopefully fix this. We gotta get it up in the air and see what's wrong. Our roads are tough here, and you can just tell by this tire that stuff isn't aligned very well. So, and that's probably just a ball joint deal. But it does have some light things on it. But we're gonna get this thing back up in the air. As you can see, I mean, this isn't a lowered stance. This is a ball joint that broke. Something bad happened here. We hope it's a ball joint, but you don't know until you actually get these things up in the air and see what's going on. So we're not going to rush to judgment. We've been told it's a ball joint, but I find in these things it could be something worse. It could be a split A-arm, bushing issues, who knows. We got excessive tire wear, so that's where we're going to start. But first, we got to get this thing off. Got to get it up in the air, because look at that. We have barely any room with this thing sitting like it is. No, this is not a lowered Mustang. Cobra though, but it's got a V6. Must be badges. Alright, get this thing up in the air.
Something catastrophic happened.
So when you got a car in the dirt, you know, unfortunately you can't use a normal jack. It's starting to take the weight off.
Yeah.
It's going to make some bad noises.
I'm just not wanting a spring, it'll fly in my face.
So now we got it up, lifted high enough so we can get this thing up in the air, see what happened.
Just a little bit more.
This is kind of a slow process, and this can be very dangerous, so be sure to make sure if you're going to have to do something like this that you're safe. Always think safety first. Lives matter. I think that A-arm's already lost its energy.
Yeah, well, I'm not sticking close to it to find out.
No, it's already lost its energy. We're going to have to use a jack to get it all back together.
I know.
Oh man, no, the strut went. No, strut's there. Strut's back in. Okay. No rush to judgment. I got told I rushed to judgment too quick, so we're just going to let the camera speak. Alright, so what's behind the green door, Kev?
Black and yellow.
Ooh. Alright, well, let's get a peek see so I can let the people at home see what happens when a Ford Mustang splits its ball joint. Hey, Kev, it's missing.
Ball joint.
Where'd it go? Oh, wait, there it is. Dude, it just pulled right out, didn't it? And that was a non-serviceable one, right? Yeah, there's no serviceable. No grease point. That's a factory joint gone bad. Not bad. Well, half the teardown's already done. You didn't bring any rope over with you, did you?
No.
Oh, yeah, gonna need some rope.
I didn't know what we were even walking into.
Yeah, pretty straightforward job. Just a ball joint job, but yeah.
Everything came back into alignment.
Oh yeah, no, we're good, man. It couldn't have broke any better myself.
Let me try to put this back together.
Just pop it in. It'll be good for another 100,000, Kev.
There we go. It's back in.
Alright, so now we got everything apart. It's going to be kind of hard to show. We're going to do our best here, but we ended up getting the brake loose, a little bit of mallet action. Now we're just going to get the ball joint down, and then we got to get it out of the A-arm. We'll get to that here in a sec. This is kind of a big job. This is dangerous, so, you know, this is just for entertainment purposes. This is not how to fix your Ford. But I do like showing catastrophic damage on this channel, so. Alright, we're going to let them finish that, and we'll get some pounding and some heat going here in a sec. Leverage. Ford Tough, Kev?
Yeah, definitely.
Ford Tough to get off? Yeah, these aren't easy repairs to do, but basically the joint itself just lost lubrication, became dry, and shredded, and popped. That's pretty much that. Nope, it's going to be Ford Tough all the way out, man. Sometimes you got to fix these cars where they break, and unfortunately this one we can't get in our shop. We just don't want to do any more damage. Yeah, we're trying to avoid taking the steering knuckle off, but we just have no choice. There's just no way around it. We cannot get this car fixed. If we don't, we're going to keep damaging that freaking bolt. We're going to be in more trouble, so it's not worth it. Do note though, if you do take your strut off your steering knuckle, you will have to go to the alignment shop.
Not if you mark it.
We're going to do our best to mark it, but, you know, if you don't mark it carefully and just throw it back together, it will be off. You will burn your tires up. So just plan a trip to the alignment shop. Just plan it. Other than that, we're going to take the steering knuckle here in a second. But right now, we're making alignment marks so we can get this thing ballpark close, if not accurate. Old Indian motorcycle, that's pretty tight. Ford tough.
Yeah.
Now we can go back to the shop and have some real fun.
No, it actually doesn't look like it needs an alignment. It looks like there's no alignment.
There's a little bit of swing in there.
Like you're talking about a half a degree.
What do you think? How much adjustment do you think they gave you?
This is a zero lash. This is
of course
a zero
it's
lash.
a zero lash. But look at the way it's eating tires. That's not normal. This thing has been eating the tires.
How'd you do it? Just like this?
Just ran around the edges. You don't want to hit the ball joint because it will expand too. You hit the edges, it'll drop right out. It didn't take very much heat though.
I just went through it. Yeah, I just put a nice hole through it.
Yeah, that was the wrong one to use. Should have been using the broad edge. That's just for pounding down, but you need a wide berth on that.
Damn.
It's not going, you need to keep heating it up. As hard as you're pounding, it should have gone.
Ready for this?
There you go. Fuck her up. That's all you do.
Man.
Yuck. No special tools needed. We actually had to take it off the vehicle, the steering knuckle side of it, and put it in a vise because there was just no way of hitting that while it was installed. So I'm going to go ahead and smack it now. But I'm going to tell you what, this could take some pretty predominant force. There we go. And that's what a broken ball joint looks like. The other half of this is missing. We're going to go back to the car and grab that piece and we'll put these two together. Well, we've been fussing with this all day. We finally got it. Last time I'd done one of these jobs, you were able to actually heat it up and throw it in, and this one got pinched going in, and we did actually have to go rent the tool from O'Reilly's. So where is it? Oh, right there. We had to actually go rent the tool to finish this job. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't, and it's just, you know, a per car deal. Being that this one had catastrophic damage, we shouldn't have expected such an easy job, and that's just kind of the way it goes with automotive. Alright, we're going to get the steering knuckle on, get this thing back on the ground. This job is just about done. Alright, so we're getting down to the final line here. We're going to put the dust cap on, the grease holder, the grease catcher. Alright, at this point we're going to put the knuckle back on. This part goes by real quick. Yeah, see how it compresses it?
Now where's the nut?
See if we can get you people a better shot. Again, this is not a how-to video, this is just entertainment purposes, but I do like showing the catastrophic damage.
I think it's tight now. It still didn't push that boot down. It isn't pushing the boot down.
You know your knuckle's not in place, right?
What do you mean?
Your knuckle has to be in place. You haven't attached your knuckle yet, Kev.
Is this knuckle?
You don't have your bolts hooked up to your strut.
Oh!
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in other words, this is tight. It's moving the...
Yeah. You gonna cut your fingers this time, like you did on the Subi?
What are you talking about?
You don't remember? Alright folks, what do we learn here? Yeah, this thing's disgusting. It's been sitting for about a month, so we're not going to worry about that. As soon as you drive on, the thing will get shiny again. But what we're really concerned with is the ball joint. How does it look now? Like it should. One thing that's kind of unique with this front end is the spring kind of has a bow to it. I don't know how well the camera's going to pick it up, but I don't know, it kind of looks like a drunk sailor, I guess. I don't know. But anyway. I'm about ready to get this thing on the ground and see if she'll load weight, which we know it will. We know it's good to go. Make sure you do ball joints, put a little grease in on the bottom, call it good, check them once a year, and other than that, that's about all you can do. Alright, let's get this thing on the ground. You're going to cover up all that pretty work, Kev?
Well, yeah, I'd like to be paid.
Yeah, I know. I do too. This isn't free.
You got your picture?
I got my picture.
Okay.
Send her home.
There we go.
Alright, she's got her stance back.
Now I gotta torque it.
How's that ball joint over there? Not sure, don't care. This car's getting sold ASAP, so unfortunately we will let the new owners know it may need a ball joint on that side.
It may or may not.
Well, let's just look at the tire for... tire wear is actually nominal on this side. Not as bad as that tire, so... You're right, this one might be okay. I mean, it's one of those things you're supposed to do in pairs, but damn, dude, I don't got enough hours in a day to get this thing done, and they don't want it no more, so... This one will be on Craigslist very, very soon.
I hope it doesn't have high mileage.
Oh, I'm sure it does. This thing's probably gonna have 200,000 miles at least.
Great, $1,000.
No, wait. I don't have the right flashlight, but...
It's got 217,000 miles. Fuck.
Ford tough, man. 217,000 miles on original non-serviceable ball joints. I guess that's not bad.
That's not bad. Just a picture, you gotta do it.
Just do it as preventative maintenance and you won't destroy your front end.
Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot.
Oh yeah, put the beauty ring on. Gotta close out this video and do this right for all the Ford people out there. We do love you, by the way. Alright folks, well that's how you do a ball joint, emergency ball joint service on the street. Unfortunately it wasn't in the shop, wasn't clean, it was kind of noisy, and unfortunately that's just how it goes sometimes. You gotta fix these where they break. Other than that, if you like these new style of carnage videos, click like and make sure you're subscribed, and we'll have more for you very soon. Thanks for watching.